Good afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of my second class students, you have to open your workbook. EVS workbook. Okay? This workbook is having 3 subjects: English, Mathematics, and EVS. Already I said you. You have to open now EVS. EVS. Etiquette. What's our lesson? Etiquette. You have to open your workbooks at the page number. What's the page number? 25. What is the page number? 25. Already I gave you 2 answers. What should you do before starting to eat? What should you do before eating? Before going to eat? You should wash your hands. It's completed. And what are the 3 magical words? What are the 3 magical words? Sorry, thank you, please. These are the 3 magical words, no? Now, third one. What should you do when you are alone at home and you have an unknown visitor? మీ ఇంట్లో అన్నోన్ విజిటర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు పీప్ త్రూ ద హోల్ ఆర్ విండో. ఇఫ్ యూ నో దట్ పర్సన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఓపెన్ ద డోర్. ఒకవేళ అతను తెలిస్తే ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు? ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ అన్నోన్ విజిటర్ మీన్స్ ద పర్సన్ హూ కేమ్ టు యువర్ హౌస్. అంటే వచ్చిన వ్యక్తి మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చిన వ్యక్తి నీకు తెలియదు. You know that person, you don't know that person. He is unknown to you. Unknown అంటే ఆ పర్సన్ నీకు తెలియదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? You have to should not open the door. You should not open the door and you have to ask him to come later. అంటే డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేయకుండా తర్వాత రండి అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే? You should not open the door and ask him to come later. అంటే తర్వాత రండి, ఇంట్లో ఎవరు లేరు అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే మేడం, థర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. I would not open the door. I would not open the door and I would not open the door and ask them to ask an unknown visitor. Ask him a minute. Ask him to come later. Ask him to come later when I am alone. When I am alone at home. I would not open the door and ask him to come later when I am alone. When I am alone at home. Okay? I would not open the door and ask him to come later when I am alone at home. ఇక్కడ unknown visitor అయిందా? I would ask unknown visitor, unknown visitor. I would not open the door and ask unknown visitor to come later when I am alone at home. Next one. Completed? Next. Write at least 3 good manners you should follow at home, at school. How we have to be at school? We have to come to school on time and ask the permission to your class teacher when you are entering or when you are going out. You have to ask the permission. Talk politely. Okay? Listen. You will write. Listen patiently. First one. Keep arrow marks. Be on time. Be on time to school. Be on time to school. Take permission. Take permission. Take permission when you leave. When you leave and enter the classroom. Enter the classroom. Listen patiently. Listen patiently. First. Listen patiently first and then talk. We have to pray to God. Hey child, first pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray in first blank. Pray to God before eating and dash mom after eating. Tinnaka em cheyali? Take dash. In dash we had write permission. We had to write a permission. First one. Wash your hands before and after eating. Hold the fork in the left and spoon in the right hand. First blank left, second blank right. Next, pray to God before eating and thank mom after eating. Next, when you hurt someone, say sorry. Take permission when you leave and enter the classroom. Okay? Fill in the blanks completed. Two blanks are there now. In one blank left, another blank right. One blank pray, second blank thank you. Okay? Very good. Take next page. Observe the pictures and tick the good manners and cross the bad manners. Okay? First one. See the first picture. He is eating with the spoon. Is this a good manner? Is this a good manner? Ilaga tinala? So, it's a good manner, no? First one, right. The first blank, keep right mark. Right. Next, second picture. See the second picture. Here, in the second picture, he is taking the dishes on other by falling on other person. One of the boy is taking dishes. Dishes తీసుకుంటూ ఏం చేసుకుంటూ by falling on others. అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళ మీద పడుకుంటూ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. Is it right? Is this a good manner? No. We have to ask them to give by using please. Please give that curry. అని అడగమని చెప్పాను కదా. పాసం చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ఏమనాలి? Please give that rice or please give that curry. అట్లా ఇమ్మని అడగాలి. అడుగుతుందా ఈ అమ్మాయి? No, it's very bad habit. So keep the cross mark. Next, in the third picture here, in the third picture, The third picture, he is licking. The boy is licking his fingers. Is this a good manner? He is licking his fingers. Is this a good manner? Lick cheyala? No, it's very bad manner. So keep cross mark. Here see, he is eating the food. He is eating food, not in small size. He is taking in big size. He has taken the food with a spoonful. Spoonful మొత్తం తీసుకుంటున్నాడు అక్కడ. We have to take small bites, no? చిన్న చిన్న ముద్దలు పెట్టుకోమని చెప్పాను కదా, వాడు ఎలా తీసుకున్నాడు చూడండి. ఇట్స్ స్పూన్ఫుల్. తన ఫుడ్ పక్కకి వెళ్తుంది, తన మౌత్కు మొత్తం అంటుకుంది, చూసారా? We have to take food in small bites. చిన్న చిన్నగా తీసుకోమని చెప్పాను. బట్ he is taking in a large amount. So that is wrong. Next one. What did the boy did here? The boy threw the food around the plate. This boy threw the food around the plate. And the plate చుట్టూ ఏం పడిపోయిందిరా? రైస్ పడిపోయింది. పడిపోయిందా? Is that a good manner? No, we should not do like that. So that is wrong. Keep wrong mark. Next also, we have to, while we are eating, we have to watch TV. While we are eating, అంటే తినేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? టీవీ చూస్తూ తినాలా? We have to eat by watching TV. Is this a good manner? We have to eat by watching TV. No, it's very bad manner. Keep cross mark. Next, here, what is the boy doing? This boy is asking the girl to pass the dishes. Please. He is asking, please pass the dishes. Is this a good manner, no? Ivaman adugutunnadu. Good manner, no? So keep right mark. Next, the boy is washing his hands. Is this a good manner? We have to wash our hands. Yes, we have to wash our hands before eating and also after eating. So it is also right. Right, wrong, two wrongs, two rights. Okay? Very good. Completed? Next, take next page. State true or false. Some of the sentences are given here. You have to write yes or no type. If it is correct, if it is yes, we have to write it. T means true. If it is wrong, means no. No, I think we have to keep false. If it is wrong, if it is right, we have to keep true. Means T-R-U-E, true. If it is wrong, we have to keep false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay? Understand me? అది కరెక్ట్ అయితేనేమో ట్రూ అని పెట్టాలి, రాంగ్ అయితేనేమో ఫాల్స్ అని పెట్టాలి. ఆల్రెడీ యు నో దిస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, we should not wash our hands before eating. We should not wash our hands before eating. తినడానికి ముందు మనం హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకోకూడదంట. దిస్ ట్రూ. We should not wash. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong, no. So appadem pettali F. First one is F, false. Otherwise write false right out. You know the spelling. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, We should take small bites while eating. తినేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయమని చెప్పాను? We have to take the food in small size. We have to take the food in small size, no? It's correct, no? నిజమే, చిన్న చిన్నగా తినమని చెప్పాను కదా, అలాగే అంటున్నాడు, చిన్నగా తినాలంటున్నాడు. Right or wrong? It's right. So we have to write T-R-U-E, true. Next one. It is a good habit to play with your food. Is it a good habit? We have to play with our food. We have to play with our food. Food తినేప్పుడు మనం food తో ఆడుకోవాలా? It's very bad habit. It's wrong. So wrong, no? We have to keep false. Wrong. Wrong ki em petmannanu? False. Next one. We should not thank mom after eating food. After eating food. After eating food ante food tinnaka. After eating, we have to say thank you or not. He is saying we should not thank mom. Ante mummy ki thanks cheppoddu antunnadu. Is it wrong or right? We should not thank mom. Should not ante thank you cheppoddu anta. That's wrong, no? Wrong. Cheppoddu, wrong, no? So we have to keep false. Next, fifth one. We should not talk when our mouth is full. It's a good habit. We should not talk when our mouth is full. మన mouth లో food ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడొచ్చా? No, we should not talk. That's a right, means true. T-R-U-E, true. Next. We should not be on time to school. We should not be on time to school. Ante we should not come to school on time. We have to come late. It's mean we have to come to school late. School ki late ka ravala. We should not come to school on time antunnadu. That means we have to come to school late. It's true. It's good. Is it right? మన స్కూల్ కి లేట్ గా వస్తే బాగుంటుందా? Is it right? No, it's wrong. Wrong means false. We should listen patiently first and then talk. ఏం చేయాలి మనం ఫస్ట్? ఏమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ? We should listen patiently and then talk. First others words we have to listen others words patiently. అంటే వాళ్ళు చెప్పేదాకా మనం వినాలి. After that we have to talk. Is this a good manner? Yes, it's a good manner. S means true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, last one. We should not speak politely to anyone. We should not speak politely. అందరితో మనం polite గా మాట్లాడకూడదా? We should not talk politely. We have to talk politely. He is saying we should not talk politely. మంచిగా మాట్లాడొద్దంట. It's wrong, no? Wrong means false. Complete it. Okay? Next. Next one. Some table manners are listened below. Put the first missing letter of each sentence in the box provided. Write down all the missing letters in the same order to make a phrase and see what is it. Here dash up, it up straight at the table. What is the missing letter first? Here I will write in the book. Kannari, asik maatladundu. Kumba Prashad maatladundu.